Mirror, 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 sitting on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. What's going on, guys? My name is Mark Road, and welcome back to the channel. And today, we're going back down to look at the 350Z again. My friend Zach is gonna be here pretty soon, and we're gonna go and look at some grounds because he's thinking it's a ground issue. And you know what? I take his word for it because he knows more about cars than I do. So we're gonna go look at some grounds and see if those are causing an issue. Zach was actually in my New York City video, also putting on a banner. He was in one of my car meet videos. He's been in a couple videos before, but recently he was in one of my videos of but just his car, not like him. So his car was in the video, and it was on stock wheels. It had no front bumper, and the fitment was kind of bad. Since then, which was only like a week ago, he has gotten wheels, put a front bumper on it, and it looks nice now. I'm gonna show you guys it when he gets here, but that thing is clean. All right, Mark 4 goals right there. There she is. She's soaking wet right now, boys, but actually looks really nice when it's wet because all the dirt is off.
Again, pretty close. Like, I don't know, 5 inches, 6 inches.
We got the taillights out. Zach is working his magic over here. I don't know what he's doing.
I'm gonna try. I'm just looking over.
He's working his magic.
Nothing wrong on this.
This side is just wonderful. Look at that.
So you said that when you took the taillights out, it ran bad, but then you put them in with the taillights off, it runs good?
Yeah. So like, yeah, so pretty much, little update. If I turn the lights off, like when I'm just driving in, they're connected, it runs fine. And then if I turn them on, it runs like doo-doo water. And then if I disconnect the taillights, it runs bad all the time. Doesn't matter if you turn them on or off. It's just always running bad. Really weird. I don't know. But that's how that's working. Also, boys, look at this. I got myself a Mishimoto shift knob. I'm gonna install that right now while they're doing all the hard work over there. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this, guys. This thing is beautiful, man. It's a heavy ass shift knob, but it looks nice, so that's all that matters. I'll keep you guys updated when we find something, but for right now, we just gotta get through this wiring pretty much. Yeah, I got it. Alright, so we got it on the lift. Zach is once again working his magic over here. I don't know what he's doing, but he's just... What are you doing? Oh, we're taking the bumper off. We're taking the bumper off to try and get to this wire because he says there's something that's... The wire itself looks fine. That's why I'm telling you, man. I think it's a ground.
Dude, the whole, like, where all of this connects, it's like a whole, just bundle of...
Bundle of joy. Well, oh, this one's already off. Well, I mean, kind of.
No, I pulled that.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's just the washer I was moving. Oh, okay, never mind. But yeah, we just gotta get this off so we can check that wiring over there. And I guess we'll go from there. Oh, you already got these ones off up here. Legend.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, so we took the rear bumper off so that we can get to the wires better. And that proved to be a challenge, but that's okay. We got it now. That connector, man. But now I was actually checking the wires out real quick to see if you can see any like any ruptures in the bitches. What is this?
Race car shit.
Yeah, true. Forgot about that.
Oh yeah. Dude,
It's spliced in? Yeah, these wires are a little iffy, but don't know, man, don't know. All right, so recap. We're gonna finish this some other day because it's not done yet. But this is how the car is looking right now. We took the taillights off. The connectors are okay, except for this one seems a little weird. That could be an issue, but the bigger issue that just looks terrible is on the taillights. I don't know if you guys can see this. They used like a glue to get them in there, to get them to stay. And that could very well be the problem. On top of that, it has aftermarket LEDs in there, and it could have shorted everything else out. And so I don't know. We're trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna bring it home to my dad, who, you know, is a mechanic, does this stuff. So hopefully he can figure it out. But it's looking like that's the issue. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Day 2 here of the taillight issue. It's taillights. Funny enough, these taillights are causing my 350Z to run poorly when they're turned on. I know it doesn't sound right. I literally took these taillights off 2 days ago, and they're, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There's already spider webs. They're fast. That's free real estate for them. Every time they see, oh my god, I hate spiders. But anyway, today, me and my friend John, it's the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. You're probably going to see this after the 4th of July, though. But me and John are going to go driving around, and so I got to get the back bumper and the taillights back in. I won't need it to turn them on today, so that's why I'm running them today. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Also, we're going to have to figure something out with this, because on the stock taillights, which I ordered, so I'm getting the stock taillights soon, and hopefully that should solve this issue. They have a connector here, not a bulb that just like plugs in. So you need a, this is definitely something different. So that means I'm going to need to somehow take this apart and put a connector in and work it that way, because there's going to be a bulb there. It's kind of confusing, but that's what we're going to do. So yeah, today I just have to put this front bumper back on. Also, guys, look at this. This is the purple shift boot and the purple shift knob, right? That's what my Z is about to look like on the center console shifting area. I like it. It is a little girlier than I wanted it to be. Like, this purple is very shiny, and I didn't expect it to be that shiny. It's pretty girly, but with it, when it's actually sitting in the car, it won't shine as much, and it won't look that bad. But I'm still probably going to try and find a another one in the meantime. But it's not that big a deal, because I already have this one now, which will go right there, and it will look pretty cool, in my opinion. I think it'll look cool. So whatever. We're doing like a whole purplish style interior anyway, not all over the place, but in certain areas, and you'll see my vision for that soon. But yeah, anyway, I gotta put the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the taillights back on. I'll update you guys when that's done. Do you hear that bird? Alright, well, before I put the bumper back on, I just realized that we have wires that are exposed here because we took the electrical tape off to get to see if the wire was busted. And so I already put this one back on with some electrical tape. I just gotta do it to this one now, and this one now, and then over here we have this one that I need to do it to as well, with this good old trusty electrical tape right here. All right, so a major update. Bumper is pretty much back on. I'm gonna run over what you got to do first. So you're gonna want to, before you put on the bumper, pull the taillights up, the taillight cords up through here, because then you won't get them lost in there. Before you put on the bumper, I let it rest on my exhaust tips. I just like place it on my exhaust tips and press my knee up against the middle to hold it in place, and then just connect all your like connectors that are in here. Like, there's a connector for this light, there's a connector for your trunk button right here, and then there's a connector for this light. Connect those 3 before you put on the bumper at all, because you're not going to be able to get your hands in there if you put the bumper on first. Then all you're going to want to do is there's 4 little clips right lining this whole top part right here. Line those 4 clips up, push it in. As long as all 4 of those clips are between, there's like these 2 little things that go like this, and you have 1 piece on the bumper that's like this. You just want to get it right in there on all 4 of them. Make sure you got it on all 4 of them. And as long as you got that, there's another little clip right in here. You can't, 1 second, right in here. There's like a clip that clips into right here. It starts on here, goes there. Once you get those lined up, these will pretty much line up on their own. You just have to push it a little bit and then it'll go in. Anyway, after you do that, I recommend there's a little bolt right here underneath your taillight on each side. Bolt that in on each side Bada boom, bada bing. And then I lined up these underneath. If you go over here, underneath your bumper, there's a bolt right there. You gotta line it in right there. This one's kind of a pain in the ass because this fender liner is in the way. So you have to get it like above the fender liner. And get all the make sure you get all your fender liner actually inside the bumper too. Don't let it be hanging out. Then there's that on each side. Same dealio. See? Right there. Fender liner is all inside. Pretty easy. And after that, there's on the bottom, right here, there is a bolt right there. And then you just put that one in. I actually think I lost the other bolt for this side, which sucks because I can't find it anywhere, so I might not be able to bolt this side in. But then after that, just there's these little dangly things. They come right up, and then they clip in to the back of your like bash bar right there. I have to do that without my GoPro in my hand, but there's two, one on each side, one there, the other one's up in there right now. But yeah, clip all those back in, then put your taillights back in, and you will be all set. First of all, boys, huge update out of nowhere. Last time you guys saw I had the finishing touches on putting the bumper back on. So I did that, put the taillights back on, and on top of that, some Mitsubishi Eclipse over here pulled up. Look at this. Some Eclipse pulled up out of nowhere with a nice SmoothStance banner on it. But I don't know where the owner is, man. I don't know where the owner is. But that's John's car. I don't know where John is though. He was, you know, you would think he'd be in his car, but whatever. I gotta put the shift knob back on. Oh,
you knew I was in here.
John's just putting this shift knob on because it doesn't wanna. Look at that. Look at the Mishimoto knob, boys. Oh, I can't wait to put my hands all over that purple knob. Anyway, guys, the car's ready. I'm gonna start it up, make sure it didn't go back into limp mode because it does that sometimes. It just has, you know, it has a temper problem. So I'm gonna start it up, make sure it didn't go back into limp mode. Well, actually, I have to get this lift out of here first. And then I'm gonna start it up, move this out of the way, back it out, park everything back in here, close it all up, and me and John are just gonna go cruising for the 4th of July, which, by the way, happy 4th of July. All right, ladies and gentlemen, me and Johnny boy. As you can see, John's in that Eclipse up there. We're about to head out. We're about to head out. I have my like strap for the GoPro on my head, but thing kind of sucks. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, fucking car coming. What a guy John is. He's waited for me. You see that? That's a true friend right there. A little pull for you guys. Whoa. Filling up only the good gas because I'm a broke boy, and so anyway, we're at the gas station. At the gas station. Also, look how badly I parked from the pump, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at this dude right here.
Look at this dude. I'm still learning, all right? I'm learning how to park my car correctly. Also, there's a lighter on the floor. That's really dangerous. That's dangerous. Safety hazard. Anyway, guys, I don't know where we're going after this, but I'll update you whenever we find out. I'll let you know. Look at this, boys. Look at this view. This view is amazing. Motorcycle guy. I love this car. I just want to say thank you guys, everybody, because you guys are the reason why this happened. I finally got to convince my dad that it was for YouTube. And so, thank you. Thank you all so much. Also, SmoothStance banners coming soon, but they're not going to look like that. They're going to look a lot different. But still, SmoothStance banners are coming soon. SmoothStance hat coming soon. SmoothStance shorts and shirts are coming soon as well, too. So stay up to date, guys. I love you guys. Love you guys so much. And I love this car. This car is so much fun. I wish I could give you more like POV shots, but it's nothing really interesting. We're not like racing or anything. It's not like, it's all kind of slow, curvy roads, but who knows? Maybe on the way back I'll give you some more. It's been a long day. Bye, John. Everybody say bye to John. Bye, John. Bye, John. Sounds nice. Anyway, John's leaving. I'm probably just gonna go home. It's 4th of July, and it's getting dark out, and I don't have lights, so I'm probably just gonna go home. But thank you guys for watching. I'll get a couple like POV shots on my way home, and yeah, thank you guys. I love y'all so much. I love you. Seriously, I do. There's a good possibility I can just fly right through here. I can. This car! Oh shit. Damn! That was my first time hitting 100 in this thing. Wow, that felt scary, but also felt amazing. Let's go. Oh man, I love this car.